How to turn off safe chat on Roblox. So first what we want to do is of course go to roblox.com. Make sure that you're logged in, and once that's done, just go to the gear icon on the top right corner right here. Then go to settings. Once you're there, just simply click on privacy. And as you can see, when I hover to the communication right here, it shows me a blocked icon. So what you need to do is just simply turn off account restrictions. So just simply click on the switch button right there. And as you can see, it is done. And if a pin shows up, what you may need to do is just, of course, put on the pin. But if you don't know the pin, you need someone who knows it. It might be your parent, your guardian, your friend or something. Ask them for the pin and just simply input the pin. And after you've input the pin, you're now good to go. And as you can see, there's no block, or it is now not grayed out, just like it was a few seconds ago. And here, what you need to do is set it to default. And now you could now message with your friends. You could also set this to everyone if you like, so on who could message you and who could text chat with you in the app. You could either set it to no one or your friends. I suggest you leave it at friends if you want to communicate, of course. And who can text chat with me. You could also set it to everyone or no one. I'll suggest you leave it to everyone if you want to communicate, of course, with other people. And that's how you basically turn off safe chat in Roblox.